Hello, and welcome to Clamshell. Today, we're going to take a brief tour of Clamshell's powerful project accounting features. I'm going to walk you through setting up a project, billing the owner, paying our subcontractors, and seeing the margin for our project. This is only a brief overview. Other tutorial videos cover all these topics in more depth. Let's get started. Clamshell is available anytime through its secure web interface. I'm first going to log in and enter my two-factor verification code. My first step is to create a new project. Clamshell is going to ask for some basic information here, like the address of the project and the retention rate. I'm going to speed up my entering this information so we can keep moving. Clamshell will also give us the option to import an AIA 703 document to set up our project. We're going to skip this for now, just so we can see how everything works. We're going to enter the subcontractors for our project. We'll use two examples, ABC and DEF. Once we enter our subcontractors, we can begin setting up the line items for our project. We'll choose ABC to be our plumbing subcontractor, and we'll start entering some line items. This is a quick process in Clamshell, as we have keyboard shortcuts to help us along. However, we can also paste in subcontracts from Excel, or import entire AIA 703 documents. Our next category is electrical. You'll notice that I can mark up line items, and show a different value to both the subcontractor and the owner. Even at this early stage in our project, we can see what our margin might be by clicking on Margin Setup. We can see here that our margin is 7.29%. Now that we've set up our project, we want to generate billings for both the owner and our subcontractors. To start this process, I need to approve the base schedule of values. Then, I'll go to our Progress Billing section. I'll first create a new progress billing. We'll enter the dates that the billing will occur. As work is completed at the job site, we want to enter percentages for our line items. We can very easily export this as an AIA 702-703 document. Here's what that looks like. Now, we want to pay our subcontractors. We'll head to Clamshell's Subcontractors screen, where we can see what's payable to each subcontractor this billing. Let's drill down and see the pay application for subcontractor ABC. This pay application has been directly generated based on the percentages we entered earlier. Let's export this subcontractor's pay application as a PDF. Here's what that looks like. Let's take another look at our margin. We can see that it hasn't changed yet because the financials of our project have not changed. Now, let's create another billing for the next month of our project. In this billing, let's create a change order to our owner. While this change order will bring more revenue to our project, our margin will only increase if there are fewer associated costs. Now that we've added our owner change order, it's time to add the associated change order for our subcontractors. We'll navigate back to DEF and add a new change order for them. We'll associate the subcontractor change order with the owner change order that we just created. We'll make the value of this subcontractor change order 1/2 of the value of the owner change order. If we again take a look at our margin, we'll see that the effect of these change orders on our margin was to increase the percentage from 7.29% to 9.34%. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of Clamshell. We've really only scratched the surface of what Clamshell can do. Check out our other tutorial videos for more in-depth information on Clamshell. Or contact our team and we can walk you through how Clamshell might work with your company.